Hey, Mr. Garage here, and this is going to be one of many short tool reviews. Check out all my videos. It's going to get to the point on the tool that you might want to buy that's in this video, so let's take a look. All right, we're going to cover in this video the Ryobi P252 half-inch brushless drill. It's a two-speed drill, half-inch chuck on it, 18 volt, of course, part of their plus one series or one plus series. This is probably, I've got a lot of Ryobi drills that I'll cover in other videos, but this is probably my favorite drill. And the reason for it is it's got a pretty compact head. There is no angle to the head on this, so it's actually very, very straight. So when I'm holding it, the actual drill is pointing straight. They designed some drills that actually kick off at angle, and they're obnoxious. I don't like the way they work. The secret to this drill, why it's one of the best drills they make, is in the chuck itself. This is actually a Jacobs chuck. It's not one of those funky chucks that Ryobi's made in the past that actually kind of loosen on their own, and they're just annoying to use. They don't lock up very well. The Jacobs chuck does a fantastic job of that. Now, the other super awesome thing that people don't know about this drill is it features a quick connect already built in, so you don't have to tighten down the chuck on, say, a screwdriver bit. I can slip this in down inside the chuck and just push, and that locks that bit in. So that's a really cool feature a lot of people don't know about, but look for this Jacobs chuck and look for this P252 model. And again, this is probably my favorite drill overall from Ryobi. So anyways, yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope that helps you guys out. I highly recommend this tool. Definitely one, if you're in this whole Ryobi family of tools. I've got a lot of their tools. They're easy to use, they're affordable, and I've got a lot of battery packs that are forward and backwards compatible. So yeah, if you are looking for a tool like this, definitely jump on this drill. The P252 is fantastic.